top 10 largest navies in the world 2022. Hey guys, aren't you concerned about which country has the largest navy in the world? To understand the influence in ocean considering the current heated geopolitics, we have to compile the history of the navy. Since the sea was navigatable, empires from early age began to race to conquer 70% of the earth, and the ability to protect navy strength across ocean defined the global influence. But the question arises, what does the navy do? A country navy recruits, trains, organizes, arms up combat-ready maritime forces to win possible naval and amphibious conflicts while maintaining the security in the territorial waters of that country. The list below is based on data compiled by the Global Firepower World Navy Ranking 2022 by the number of offensive and defensive naval assets a country has. These are the top 10 navies in the world 2022. The number 10, Brazilian Navy. Helicopter carrier, they have 1 helicopter carrier, 3 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruisers, 4 destroyers, 10 frigates. The Brazilian Navy has 5 corvettes and 7 submarines. The Brazilian Navy is responsible for the naval operation of the Brazilian Armed Forces. After the United States Navy, the Brazilian Navy is the second biggest navy in the Americas and most powerful in South America. Due to new developments, upcoming deliveries of Scorpion class and corvettes of Barossa class, the Brazilian Navy is in pretty good shape to fulfill its strategic requirements, which are mostly coastal patrol in low-intensity environments. However, there are some deficiencies in the Brazilian Navy in terms of its logistic capabilities and capacity to sustain long-term operations. Brazil lags logistically as with most developing countries, while many of their ships are becoming obsolete. Their rates are low, they require extensive accessorial refits to keep afloat, and the weapons they are required for the fight against the modern navy would fall short. Furthermore, the use of their sailors in the many ship classes is less efficient than they could be, with different training requirements for each ship class. Brazil also has a good projection capacity, multiple amphibious assault vessels, and replenishment oiler empower Brazil not only limited period to project naval power. The number 9, Italian Navy. They have 2 aircraft carrier, 3 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruiser, 4 destroyers, 10 frigates. Then we have 5 corvettes, 0 nuclear submarine, and 6 submarine. The Italian Navy, officially Marina Militare Italiana, has a naval fleet with some 31,000 active personnel. Italian Navy operates warships of all types. They have an aircraft carrier from Calvar class, which is also their flagship. It can handle V/STOL Harrier and F-35Bs, helicopters and aircraft system. The Calvar can transport while holding troops and vehicles as well. Similar aircrafts carry named Giuseppe Garibaldi is also in service. Italian Navy was known as the Royal Marine before the World War II, as the Republic of Italy replaced the Kingdom of Italy. The fleet comprises 2 aircraft carrier, 6 diesel-powered submarine, 3 amphibious assault ships, 4 destroyers, 10 frigates, 5 corvettes, 10 coastal patrol boats, 10 offshore patrolling ships, 4 coastal patrol vessels, and 6 active submarine, frigate, and Maestro class frigates. The Marine Brigade of Italy, San Marco Marine Brigade, has a strength of 3,800 men, and the Navy recruits the Amphibious Brigade of 3 amphibious transport vessels of the San Giorgio class. The Navy built it on considering enhanced standards which can bring more troops compared to the third ship of San Giusto class. Italy is reportedly developing a new amphibian attack boat from tested by 2022. This would take effect to replace the light aircraft carrier Giuseppe Garibaldi. The number 8, the Republic of Korea Navy. They have 1 aircraft carrier, 1 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruiser, 12 destroyers, 14 frigates, 36 corvettes, 0 nuclear submarine and 23 submarines. Since the 1990s, South Korea has significantly improved its naval strength to counter China and North Korea. National security threat similar to Taiwan, but unlike the Taiwanese Navy, which imports many ships from Western countries, the South Korean Navy operates every vessel made in their homeland. Most of them are designed and manufactured by state-owned companies, while private firms like Hyundai and Daewoo make the rest of the armed vessels. South Korea has about 70,000 active personnel, which is much more than the combined forces of our predecessor Italian Navy and the Republic of China, that is Taiwan. Its naval fleet comprises 23 submarines, 1 amphibious assault ship, 6 landing vessels, 8 landing craft, 12 destroyers, 14 frigates, 36 corvettes, 11 mine countermeasure ships, and 70 fighter aircraft. South Korea needs a powerful military to protect itself from its neighbors' sea-based attack with a threat on the horizon. Thankfully, since the Korean War, the South Korean economy has slowly been improving, allowing the government to use modern military equipment without worrying about economic constraints. Based on what is happening regarding North Korea today, you can expect that the South Korean government will further boost the nation's coastal defenses. Considering North Korean Navy, the Korean People's Army Naval Force currently has the second largest naval fleet in the world. North Korea possesses 967 ships, including 438 patrol boats, 86 submarine fleet, 25 mine warfare ships, and 10 frigates. Although South Korean Marines were established many decades ago, it was recently becoming a powerful ocean force as the 8th biggest navy in the world. The number 7, French Navy. The French Navy have 1 aircraft carriers, 3 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruisers, 11 destroyers, 11 frigates, 0 corvettes, 10 nuclear submarines, and 0 submarines. The French Navy La Royale was established in 1624 by the Kingdom of France and is one of the world's oldest naval forces. The French Navy served a vital role in building the French colonial empire and helping Allied forces win both world wars. The fleet comprises about 36,000 working naval officers, about 200 aircraft with a single carrier, 4 submarines, 6 attack submarines with combat ballistic missiles, 3 amphibious warfare ships, 4 air defense destroyers, 5 general purpose frigates, 6 surveillance frigates, 21 patrol vessels, and 18 mine counter-attack warships. The list also comprises various supporting and assisting ships, including training ships, tugboats, and refueling vessels. France is also one of the nuclear force in the world, so it is not surprising that there is such a considerable battle force on the coastline. As 6th, the best navy in the world, it is defined by its role in intelligence preserving, public protection, crisis prevention, and prevent the threat of possible invasion. The Marine Nationale comprises 4 branches. 1. Force d'Action Navale. 2. Forces Sous-Marines. 3. Aéronavale. 4. Fusiliers Marines. The naval forces operate many combat ships, including nuclear carriers, nuclear submarines, and frigates. Among them is the French Navy. Flagship Charles de Gaulle aircraft carrier, which is unique class aircraft carrier. New frigates will be commissioned soon to replace destroyers class Cassard and class Georges Leggett with frigates of class Aquitaine. Number 6 is the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy have a total of 1 aircraft carrier, 1 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruisers, 11 destroyers, 14 frigates, 26 corvettes, 2 nuclear submarines, 14 submarines. India is slowly but certainly improving the resources in its defense to become a global sea power, considering the rising influence of its Chinese neighbor in the Asia Pacific. India, along with the United States, Japan, and Australia, formed an informal strategic alliance known as Quadrilateral Security Dialogue (QUAD). INS Vikramaditya aircraft carrier is the flagship of the Indian Navy, modified Kiev-class aircraft carrier. This carrier is moderate in terms of number of naval aviation carrying capacity. The state-owned company Cochin Shipyard built the first homeland aircraft carrier INS Vikrant, which was commissioned in 2013 and is more capable than its Russian-made predecessor. Both INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya have increased India's power projection capacity dramatically through the Indian Ocean. The third one, the INS Vishal aircraft carrier, also known as the indigenous aircraft carrier 2, is planned and to be constructed by Cochin Shipyard for the Indian Navy. INS Vishal will be India's second aircraft carrier and first super carrier. In total, 11 destroyers are operating at the Indian Navy, including 3 destroyers of the Kolkata class, 3 Delhi class, and 5 older destroyers in the Rajput class. Indian Navy has crafted many in modern technology, including 3 Shivaklik and 6 Taiwan missile-guided frigates. There is also a single frigate of the Godavari class, 3 older Brahmaputra class, and 26 corvettes intended to protect coastal waters. Indian Navy will soon operate single ballistic missile class submarines, while the second class ship will be commissioned shortly. These submarines with nuclear power have been developed and incorporated with high secrecy. Along the diesel powered submarine, the Indian Navy has 2 nuclear powered submarines. The Indian Navy is modernizing to upgrade its outdated military technology and ramping up the domestic defense industry. In 2021, Landing Craft Utility LCU Mark IV class was commissioned in the Navy, designed and built by Garden Ridge Shipbuilder and Engineer Limited GRSE, Kolkata. These vessels play a primary role in transporting battle tanks, vehicles, troops, and equipment from ship to shore. Experts often regard this modernization as part of India's defense plan to keep coastal water security in the Indian Ocean. The number 5, Royal Navy. The Royal Navy have a total of 2 aircraft carriers, 6 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruisers, 6 destroyers, 13 frigates and 0 corvettes, 11 nuclear submarines and 0 submarines. British Empire was the biggest empire in the world that controlled almost all oceans, seas, and territorial waters from the mid-18th century to the early 20th century. Similarly, the Royal Navy was once the world's largest navy with powerful influence still to this day. It had an unrivaled influence and played a major role in development of the United Kingdom. The United States Navy only surpassed it when the Second World War was over. Speaking about its current capabilities, 2 aircraft carriers of the Queen Elizabeth class are operating with an initial capability with HMS Queen Elizabeth as the fleet's lead ship. British naval aircraft carriers are smaller than American carriers and slightly more prominent than Russian and Chinese ones. British Navy owns 6 anti-air fighting destroyers, and these vessels patrol vast areas to provide the fleet with air defense. In contrast to the Daring class destroyer, 13 Duke frigates are mostly used for very varied role and anti-submarine warfare. There is a well-respected Royal Marine Commando Brigade in of 7,700 personnel in the Royal Navy. The Royal Marines are the European Union's most potent naval infantry force, second in the world after US Marine Corps. Additionally, there are 2 landing ships in class Amphibious and 3 logistical landing platform vessels in the Bay class. 3 nuclear-powered submarines are operating in the Astute class. 3 nuclear-powered attacking Trafalgar class active warships that will slowly retire in the coming years. British also maintain 4 Vanguard ballistic missile submarines and Tomahawk cruise missiles for all subs. Each of these ships can carry a maximum of 192 nuclear warheads, and this power is enough to wipe out the entire country at once. The fleets contain 1 aircraft carrier, 3 ballistic missile submarines, 6 nuclear power submarines, 3 amphibious vessels, 6 destroyers, 13 frigates, 3 offshore patrol ships, 13 mine hunters, 8 fast patrol boats. The Royal Navy also uses HMS Bristol destroyer type 82 and an HMS Victory ship of the line. The latter was noteworthy as the oldest naval vessel ever afloat and serves as the First Sea Lord's flagship. The number 4, Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. They have a total of 0 aircraft carriers, 7 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruisers, 40 destroyers, 6 frigates, 0 corvettes, 0 nuclear submarines, and 20 submarines. Japan Navy was officially established a few years after the Second World War, after the Imperial Japanese Navy was dissolved. Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force (JMSDF) is the maritime warfare branch of the Japanese Self-Defense Forces, consisting of 50,800 personnel, 150 ships, and almost 346 aircraft. The Japan Self-Defense Maritime Force comprises 7 warships, 40 destroyers, 6 frigates, 4 air defense destroyers, 3 landing ships, 2 landing aircraft, 25 counter-attack vessels, 6 patrol ships, and 8 training boats. Japan recently modernized its marine facilities, just like South Korea, to defend itself from the North Korea, Chinese, and Russian threats. Recently, Japan, Taiwan, and United States formed a trilateral to counter aggressive China's fleet that project power in the South China Sea and overall Western Pacific. The Japan Sea Forces are a Japanese self-defense military unit which is responsible for Japan's coastal defenses. Their naval expansion is legally limited to military doctrines as a part of the Japanese constitution. It operates state-of-the-art warships and submarines. In contrast, they keep the Japanese fleet ready and highly efficient. Therefore, while Japanese navies lose their numbers and tonnage, total million tons, to the Chinese fleet, Japanese warships are more modern and equipped with advanced armed JMSDF. Has no nuclear powered attack submarine but has around 20 submarines. As far as Japan does not use nuclear warship, it has built up diesel submarine that have improved strength and offensive capabilities. Yet Japan does not have any underwater ballistic missiles or strategic ballistic missiles. Naval aircraft in Japan comprises about 70 Lockheed P-3C Orion and a dozen of Kawasaki Naval P-1S. Now the number 3, Russia, the Russian Navy. They have a total of 1 aircraft carriers, 52 amphibious warfare ships, 6 cruisers, 18 destroyers, 6 frigates, 78 corvettes, 59 nuclear submarines, and 0 submarines. Succeeding from Red Fleet, the Russian Navy was officially established in 1992 following the dissolution of the Soviet Union. It comprises about 148,000 active personnel and over 300 operational vessels and 300 boats. which almost tripled the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Forces active staff. Russia's naval fleet include 1 cargo carrier, 1 battle cruiser, 3 cruiser, 13 destroyers, 8 frigates, 78 corvettes, 17 submerged SN, 22 submarines, 13 submarines for ballistic weapons, 7 submarines for cruise missile, and 3 submarines for special purposes. The Russian Navy inherited the fleet from the Soviet Navy after the fall of the USSR. The Soviet fleet has decreased substantially since the early 90s in the end of the Cold War and the resulting funding problems. Cold War remnants are the bulk of its vessels. In the last 2 decades, because of its small funding, the Russian defense has faced problems maintaining its main troops. 3 smaller missile Slava-class cruisers offer great anti-ship and anti-aircraft guided missile destroyer and anti-submarine warfare capabilities. While Russia is better known for its strong ground force military, its navy was not as powerful as its western counterpart. But the time is changed, as the modern Russian navy is now an indication that Russia is well prepared for sea skirmishes, making it a formidable force. Still, the Russian navy fall behind the Chinese navy on paper in overall warship numbers and tonnage. Russia, however, has several proven ballistic missile submarines which have been extremely deadly. It still has the most powerful submarine in the world, the Typhoon class submarine. The number 2 and the second is the United States Navy. United States Navy have a total of 11 aircraft carriers, 34 amphibious warfare ships, 22 cruisers, 69 destroyers and 21 frigates, 27 corvettes and 70 nuclear submarines with 0 submarines. Comparability: the Chinese Navy has a numerical advantage in terms of total naval fleet, but the US is still the strongest navy in the world for its superior technological edge. The US shifted its naval functionalities from a possible direct war with the Soviet Union to regional conflict in the early 90s following the Cold War. For lower funding and lack of adequate threats currently, but mainly to the cost of smaller ships, US fleet continued to decline. In the early 20th century, the US took over the British Empire in terms of naval strength. Big thanks to one of the best presidents, Theodore Roosevelt, who employed big stick ideology. The US Navy operates 11 large aircraft carriers with 5th generation technological fighter jets. There are 21 commissioned carriers from Nimitz to Gerald R. Ford class, the largest aircraft carrier, and 3 Tarawa class carriers in reserve. They can operate fixed-wing aircraft including helicopters and are nuclear powered, and each carrier can carry 70 to 80 attack fighter jets on fast planes. For reconnaissance, by law, the American Navy is required to operate a minimum of 11 aircraft carriers, excluding helicopters carriers, American class amphibious assault ship, and Wasp class amphibious assault ship are some of the best warships in the world. Each of these warships carries force of approximately 1,700 to 2,000 marines and blinded vehicles, and delivers tilt rotor, helicopters and hovercraft to shore. US Navy's USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 is the largest and most technologically advanced surface combatant with the most powerful guided missile destroyer in the world ever built. Before joining the Pacific Fleet, the 610-foot long 15,000-ton Behemoth started sea trial in 2015. The Oleg class destroyer were designed as multiple mission destroyer, capable of launching a long-range Tomahawk missile strategically on land, anti-aircraft warfare (AAW) with powerful Aegis radar and surface-to-air missile. You might wonder how many ships are in the US Navy. According to the Naval Vessel Register and published reports, the United States Navy have over 490 ships in both active and reserve operations. Additionally, approximately 90 others in planning and ordering phases or in construction. Nuclear-powered attack submarines patrol waters near the United States or far away from the sea, making effective anti-submarine efforts useless. Nearly 3,700 planes serve the US Navy. Wow! Most of these are multi-role fighters of the F/A-18 family and other aircraft associated with them, based on carrier aircraft. Fun fact: technically, the US Navy is the second most powerful air force in the world after the US Air Force. It was considered a number of total fighter plane and attack helicopter commissioned in the US Navy. In the foreseeable future, it will probably remain at the top based on how much the US government spend on military equipment. And the number one and the first is the China, the People's Liberation Army Navy. They have a total of 2 aircraft carriers with 69 amphibious warfare ships, 0 cruisers and 36 destroyers, 52 frigates, 42 corvettes, 14 nuclear submarines and 45 submarines. According to the recent US Defense Report estimate, China has the largest navy in the world in 2022 in terms of naval fleets. The People's Republic of China Navy have rapid growth in its offensive arsenal by building new warships and submarines, and is still building out new ships faster than ever. The Chinese Navy is officially called the People's Liberation Army Navy, has a strength of about 255,000 active personnel. China's naval power is controlled in 3 theaters: the northern, the eastern and southern, with each respective headquarters in Guangdong, Ningbo and Zhejiang. Chinese Navy owns a single Liaoning aircraft carrier which was commissioned in 2018 and is used primarily as a training ship. But these newer ships are not as potent as their Western or Russian counterparts. On the other hand, the construction of new advanced warships is growing rapidly, further strengthening the Chinese military. The People's Liberation Army Navy (PLAN) has 350 battle force ships, unlike the US Navy's 293 ships. It is expected that about 5 to 6 Guidance missile cruisers of type 055 destroyer are about to be completed by 2022. The People's Liberation Army Navy quickly arose as one of the world's powerful maritime force. In this article, the ranking is based on the sheer offensive skill, naval news, and the number of ships. Now, thanks for watching. Please don't forget, most importantly, to like and comment. You can share the videos. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to St. Lawrence channel for more videos on top 10s in the navies, in the army, in the US, Russia and Africa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.